our daily habits, like throwing garbage in rivers, cutting this block natural drainage. Floods become worse not just nature alone but because of our choices. Floods, rivers, and canals cannot carry rainwater properly, causing streets to overflow. Deforestation and unplanned buildings cause stop water from soaking into the ground. These actions make even normal rainwater. This action makes even normal rainwater. Actions makes even normal rainwater turn into damaging flood. Studies, reports show that percent of Cebu's drainage canal are blocked with waste. Green areas have also decreased by 40% due to rapid urban development. Then our reports confirm that causes soil erosion which leads to stronger flood. Some people argue that flooding is unavoidable because climate change brings heavier rain. They believe that even with cleaner surroundings, floods will still happen. Climate change affects rainfall, but human actions decide how destructive floods become. Clean rivers, more trees, and responsible planning can greatly reduce damage. We can protect our communities if we choose to act responsibly. Once again, I am Cyber Jester A. Suerte, and I believe that while we cannot control the weather, we can control our actions. Thank you.